In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 7.2, coordinate geometry. Observe this question. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertex of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. We are having 4 points. These 4 points are what? Vertex of parallelogram. So we are assuming A, B, C, D is what? Vertex. And all points given as A is what? 1, 2, B is what? 4, y, C is what? X, 6 and D is what? 3, 5. Clear? We want to find the values of what? We want to find the values of x and y. Clear? So we assumed that these points, since ABCD is parallelogram, and in a parallelogram diagonals are bisecting. AC and BD are diagonals and they are bisecting at a point H1. Clear? H point. So we can say midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC equal to what? Midpoint of BD. Both diagonals midpoint will be what? Same. Why? Because ABCD is what? Parallelogram. Once we are getting both diagonals midpoint is what? Same. So we will use midpoint theorem to find midpoint coordinates. So midpoint of AC is what? AC. A and C, both points we are having. So midpoint H will be what? We will use this. Then we are getting 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. Clear? This one is what? Midpoint of AC coordinates. Clear? Similarly, midpoint of BD is what? B and D, both points we are having. So midpoint is what? H. Its coordinate will be what? 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Clear? We obtain midpoints and both points are both diagonals having same midpoint. So we are equating both. Then we are getting this one equal to this one and this one equal to what? This one. We are comparing, then we are getting this one. Finally, we are solving for x and y by cross multiplication. How? This 2 will be cancelled to this one. Clear? Same denominators we are having in the left and right. So we can cancel. So what is the remaining? 1 plus x equal to 4 plus 3 will be what? 7. Finally, x equal to what? 7 minus 1. Solve for x equal to what? 6. Clear? One value we obtain. Now for this one, again in which this one is cancelled to this one. Solve for the y. 2 plus 6 will be what? 8 equal to y plus 5. Solve for the y. So we can say y equal to 8 minus 5. So what about the value of y? Y equal to 3. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 3 will be what? Required answer. Observe again what we are doing in this question. In this question we are having 4 vertices of a parallelogram. Clear? 4 vertices we are having. Coordinates of these points given us, but in which we are having x and y variables and we want to find what values of these x and y. Clear? So we are having parallelogram and parallelogram diagonals are bisecting. So we can say midpoint of AC equal to what? Midpoint of BD. By using midpoint formula, we are getting like this and we are comparing, then we are getting x equal to 6 and y equal to what? 3. These are what? Required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.